And we're back. I keep looking at that side now. I switched it so the camera's over here. Okay, I took that little piece of short little polystyrene rod and I was thinking, I'm gonna try it. I took it and it was a little thick, so I had to kind of flatten one side and I curved the other, so this is gonna be the part you see. Then that part's gonna be the hinge. So I was just lining it up, mocking it up. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it on right at the bottom of the panel. Then I have an idea for the latch, this piece. I'm gonna stick it like on the door. It won't be this big. And that angle to catch that lip, that should work. But I'm gonna do the hinge first, one thing at a time. Because then I put the hinges on, I use my tape and I'm gonna flip it over on its side, so then I know exactly how much I need. And I don't know if you have to, but I do the glue plastic weld. I shake it up kind of like to wake it up. So shake it real good. That takes a little bit for the paintbrush to set in. You don't leave the paintbrush in the polystyrene. It started to eat away at my brush, and that turns my polystyrene into this yummy color, which is fine. Like, I don't care. Wake it up, soak the brush up. I keep losing my little pieces. They're little teeny tiny, and they're white. Where's my other one? There's my other one. Alright. Alright, we're gonna try this. I'm just gonna kind of split the difference. As much connected as long. And I want to put it right at the bottom of the door. Yeah, that helped flattening it out. Pretty close to the bottom, yeah. And the polystyrene, the plastic weld, it kind of melts the plastic, so any little, it'll smooth out the plastic if you don't get it sanded like right. It'll just kind of soften all that. Yeah, I was gonna go half, but I'm not gonna go that much. Just was that about an eighth. It should be to pop it in. But I'm probably gonna have to let it dry for a little bit before I can. I'll see if I can get it. Wiggled into place. This is looking good. I don't know about you guys, but I'm thinking this was looking good, and it's coming out good too. Cheers. I like looking at the top of my head in other videos. I don't think I'm going to lay on any paint today. I think I'm going to leave that for another day till I get all the pieces. It's a little cool outside. I don't want to have any problems. Yeah. So then I'll come up with this piece. It'll be like that, but not that tall. Then I'll do the same thing on the other side to catch the other. So one thing at a time. Like I said, one thing at a time. I'm working on this and thinking about the other thing. Yeah, I sanded it, smoothed them out, sanded it. The rod, it's like hollow. I didn't really realize that. I sanded it, curled the edges, so hopefully it pops in. I don't know how long. Supposed to let dry. I'm gonna let dry for a second. I don't know if it's gonna work or not now. But the polystyrene is not dried yet. They're not long enough, I thought they would be. I'll try it. If not, I'll delete the video. Maybe if I get the latches, I'll hold it up in place. But the back, it seems to. The back is not as tight. Right here. It's not as tight as I'd like. I don't think my rods are long enough. I'll just keep. Work it. Pushing it out. Some more. There's more meat on the potatoes. I should have went half like I was originally going to. But it's plastic. If you don't like it, cut it off and redo it. Yeah. There, one bunch. That split a bunch. Bunches. Freshen up my glue. To relax the stretched. Yeah, that's more substantial now. Must have used too much on that one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to let this thing dry up before I do any more. It bends it. I want this glue to set up so it's not. I was gluing them. Yeah. Smooth it out. Get the back. Yeah, it just kind of smooths all them funny edges out. Yeah. I'm gonna let that dry.